Our selection includes the most popular car seat cover styles, all with ratings of 4 stars or more. Unless otherwise noted, most have a universal fit and work with the majority of cars on the road. Plus, they're designed for safety, so they won't interfere with seat belts or airbags. Here are many products available to best car seat covers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. BDK Poly Pro Car Seat Covers. Protects against wear and tear. These are the perfect seat covers for your new car,
and zip
or
up
even a
to
car
close.
that's just new to you. Our car
Zip
seat
open
covers
the cover
provide
to
protection
create a
against daily wear
60-40
and tear
split.
that occurs inside of your vehicle. Breathable materials. We use specially selected materials for
Before
maximum
folding
comfort
down your
during
bench
your
sheet
daily
to
commute.
access the
The
backside.
high-quality poly outer layer provides enhanced ventilation so that you stay cool and comfortable during your drive. Stylish design. Refresh the look
Continue
of your
covering
vehicle
the seat
and turn some
while
heads
you
along the
expose
way.
all
This
straps.
full set of seat covers features a stylish two-tone design with stitched accents, making it easy to add a splash of color to your interior. Easy to install. The best investment for your new vehicle might also be the
Attach
quickest.
supplied hooks
Follow the
to the
included
straps
installation
and secure these
instructions
to
and
one
videos
another
on this
around the
page to
backside.
install the front seat covers before finishing off with the rear bench seat cover and headrest covers. Number 2. Black Panther 1 Pair Luxury Faux Leather Car Seat Covers Front Bottom Seat Cushions Covers. Upgraded wear-resistant leather. These car seat covers for front lower part have excellent durability, water resistance. They can effectively prevent fading or wear of the original seat. The built-in high rebound sponge provides comfort for long drives. Wrap around the bottom. These bottom seat covers wrap around the front and sides to have more fully protection, so they will blend in well with original seats. The front little pocket is handy to put your phone or small items in. Stay in place with the non-slip gel bottom. These front seat covers will stay pretty well in place. Durable chucks and hooks also secure seat cover. Exquisite triangle quilted look. Elegant triangle quilted make your car's interior unique, and the slightly raised triangles will provide more comfort during long drives. Number 3. AXUN 5 PCS Car Seat Covers Full Set with Waterproof Leather. ADJUSTABILITY. The straps used to secure the seat cover on the entire seat are resilient and need to be clamped during installation, so the seat cover is suitable for almost all sedan, hatchbacks, SUV, pickup truck or crossovers, crew cab, van and EVs. Material. The product is made of high-quality faux leather, which is soft, durable, waterproof, scratch-resistant. Compatible airbags. The seat pillow cover has been upgraded to a detachable, and the side straps for fixing are almost hidden. The airbag has enough room to stretch and will never be blocked. The front seat back has pockets for the things you want to put. Waterproof and easy to clean. You can use a wet towel to wipe the car seat cover. It is very convenient. The button will not scratch, and the wear resistance is excellent. Number 4. Kingfinix Premium POO Car Seat Cover. Excellent durability. Designed with POO leather with excellent stitching for a luxurious experience and high durability. Kingfinix car seat covers are made with 3D POO leather with a soft, breathable sponge layer for extra comfort. Perfect for long-distance journeys. Anti-slip and wear resistance. The quality of our materials helps reduce the rate at which the seat will fade and show signs of long-term use. This car seat bottom cover is slip-resistant and reduces movement when in use. Our full-edge design will cover and protect as much of your car seat as possible. Front pocket and quality embroidery. Our POO car seat cover has a unique geometric embroidery for an elegant design. In addition, we have engineered convenient front pockets for additional storage for your possessions that are out of sight for added security. Number 5. FH Group Car Seat Covers Full Set Black Cloth, Universal Fit, Automotive Seat Covers. Package includes 2 front bucket, 1 set rear bench and 5 headrest covers, semi-universal to fit most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. Materials are made from durable and comfortable breathable flat cloth, easy to clean, machine washable, air dry. Concealed Velcro opening and adjustable straps helps installation, removal, and reattachment. Special stitching technique enables side airbag compatibility, officially tested. Durable stretchy fabric with opening pocket for storage. Engineered to accommodate traditional and heated seats. Universal application fits almost all seats.